Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Call recording on iPhone has become easier than ever, and I'm going to walk you through the exact process. Step 1. First, you need to understand that Apple doesn't have a native built-in call recording feature like some Android phones do, so you'll need to use a third-party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for a reliable call recording app like TapeCall or Rev Call Recorder. Make sure to read the reviews and check that it has good ratings before downloading. Step 2. Once you've downloaded your chosen app, open it and create an account. You'll need to verify your phone number and set up your preferences. Grant the app permission to access your contacts and microphone when prompted, as these are essential for the app to function properly. Step 3. Before you start recording, check your local laws about call recording consent. Some states require all parties to consent to recording, while others only need one party to know. You should always be transparent with the person you're calling about recording the conversation. Step 4. When you're ready to record a call, use the app's interface to dial the number or select a contact. The app will route the call through its system and begin recording automatically once the other person picks up. You'll see a timer on your screen showing how long you've been recording. Step 5. After your call ends, the app will save the recording automatically to your library. You can then listen back, edit, transcribe, or share the recording depending on what features your app offers. Some apps provide cloud storage, so your recording stays safe even if you lose your phone.